glad you're here. Let's go inside for a private tour. Welcome to the beautiful community of Lakeside Forest. This is a custom-built community in 1987. This community has amazing features. It has a large lake that you can enjoy all summer and winter. There's canoeing on the lake in the summer, and there's a heated pool along with basketball courts and tennis courts. There's a large pavilion that you can use for gatherings with your family and friends and really take advantage of the lake and pool. This community is gated, and this particular home in Lakeside Forest is a two-story. It features 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, a half bath, and a 2-car garage. So let's take a look around. This great room is your wow room. I mean, what an amazing space to enjoy time with family and friends or to curl up with a great book. This home features soaring cathedral ceilings, floor-to-ceiling windows, 2 sliding doors out onto your deck. There are 4 sliding doors onto decks in this home, and they're new. You're going to love the bamboo floors that are throughout the entire main floor of this home, including the first and primary owner's suite. There's a beautiful fireplace. It has stacked stone and wood detailing, and it's gas log burning. The great room has a beautiful built-in bookcase, and it's open to the foyer, which again gives this room and this home the feeling of spaciousness and just gorgeous light. Here we are in a spacious dining area, casual dining area to enjoy time with family and friends, and this spectacular kitchen. It features granite countertops, an electric gas cooktop, a wall oven and microwave combination, along with a stainless steel refrigerator, stainless steel dishwasher, and these beautiful solid oak cabinets. They're in pristine condition. There's also a large pantry that you're going to love. Lots of storage in this wonderful kitchen. Here we are in the owner's retreat. This is a really special space with soaring cathedral ceilings. There's a sliding door out onto your private deck with beautiful views. The owner's bathroom is wonderful. It features a skylight, so there's lots of natural light in the bathroom. There's a jetted tub, a separate shower. There's a beautiful granite counter with 2 bowl sinks and a spacious closet that has extra storage behind the mirror. You're going to love this wonderful owner's retreat. This exceptional room could be used for many things. Currently, the owners are using it as a family room and office. However, this could be an excellent workout room, yoga studio. This could even be a 3rd bedroom for you. We are here in the home's 2nd spacious bedroom. This home features 2 closets with the same solid oak doors, 8-panel, and newer carpet on this level. You're going to love this spacious room because it also has its own private bath, and it has its own seating area, office, or exercise room adjacent. You're going to love this 2nd full bath that's been recently fully remodeled. It features granite counters, this lovely glass shower with beautiful tile work, and an amazing spacious walk-in closet. The flooring is tile, and it's the same tile that's in the entryway. Thank you for joining us for a tour of this gorgeous property. We would love to give you a private showing, so please reach out to us anytime. We'd love to show you this light-filled, spacious home and all that the community has to offer at 480 Beachside.